Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing on the Cloud Mint Galaxy S20 FE, as you can see here. Now, I already had a Galaxy S20 FE in the Cloud Orange, but I actually got rid of that a little while ago, so now here we are again with another unboxing. The reason I'm doing another unboxing now is because I actually missed this phone a lot, so here we are again, and we actually got the Cloud Mint because I wanted to switch it up a little bit. So let's go and get this thing unboxed, and let's see if I enjoy this color more than the Cloud Orange. Alright, y'all, so we're back here at the legendary unboxing table, as usual. But yeah, I don't know if y'all really knew this or not, but I did get rid of my Cloud Orange Galaxy S20 FE because I really didn't feel the need to have it anymore. Like, I didn't really feel like it was necessary because I already have my Galaxy Fold, as you can see here. But I really had Misty inside the 30x zoom, which I could have really used when I was in Texas not even that long ago. So I picked it up again, and I got in this Cloud Mint this time just to switch it up a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to like this color, but I guess we'll see. That's part of the point of doing this. So I actually do have another S20 FE right here. These both came in the mail the same day today because I actually bought this one for my dad. So I got this one for me, but I got this one for my pops. I was gonna unbox that, but honestly I didn't want to make him wait. So this is his Galaxy S7 that he has right now. Like, this thing is beat up, as you can see with the outer box case. You can see all that burning right there. Like, that's not even healthy. And overall it's just old, it gets hot. My mom got a Note 10 right now and he's stuck on the S7, so I don't know, I just decided to get him this. And overall, I mean, even just in the last 10 minutes, he already been bragging about it to my mom. So yeah, there's that. And I'm sure he's gonna brag about this to a lot more people because he just loves bragging about stuff. But yeah, so that's that. But if you actually order an S20 FE, you actually get a free Galaxy Fit 2 inside the box. So yeah, that's actually pretty nice. I don't really like that it came in this color here, like I had no other option. But yeah, that's why I have two Galaxy Fit 2s here, as you can see, because, well, they both came with the phone, so I got them both. Anyways, let's just go and get into this thing. So I don't want to get too in-depth into this unboxing because I already did on my Cloud Orange Galaxy S20 FE video. So if you want to go check that out, links down below or the annotation above. Looking on the front of the box though, you got that S20 in that Cloud Mint color there. When you go ahead and move around the box, it shifts colors, so that looks pretty nice. At the bottom you got S20 FE 5G, and on the left side you got Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. On the right you don't got nothing, at the top you don't got nothing really, and then at the bottom you just got your phone info. And on the back you just got some more info like you'll see here. Basically what the package contains and all that good stuff. So if you want to go pause that and read for yourself if you want, you can do that. Anyways, let's go and get into this box and ripping that open. Okay, let's just go and check this thing out real quick. I'm really interested in this color. So obviously I've seen pictures online, but I've never seen it in person. And just in person so far, like, it looks more like a bluish color, but that still looks pretty nice. You can see when I put it in the light more, it got a little bit more green, so that's pretty cool. Let's go and take this off right here, and there we go. And let's go and compare that to the Cloud White as I got him. So yeah, that's a pretty cool combo. Like, I really like how those look. So I guess me and my pops got the same phone now, even though it's not the same color, but I know he's gonna love this for sure. Like, he's already loving it so far, and he barely even used it. But yeah, looking on the front, you can see here we got the garbage screen protector installation as usual, and it actually looks better than my Cloud Orange S20 FE screen protector. So yeah, there's that. Anyways, just looking more inside the box, as you can see here, we actually have our SIM and SD card. Samsung. We got the tool remove right here. And in here, we just got our user manual and all that good stuff, but you know we do with that. We throw it to the side. Looking more inside the box here, as you can see, we actually got a charger in here, Samsung. We have a charger in here. I'm looking at you, Galaxy S21. Man, I really do not like that phone at all. Just get the S20 FE. And then we got the actual cord here as usual, which the S21 does have, but it don't got this. Come on, Samsung. But yeah, that's really it for the unboxing. So let me go and turn this on real quick. And yeah, like, I don't know, man. Like, this versus the Cloud Orange, I think I'm feeling the Cloud Orange more, but I don't know. Maybe I got to get used to this more. But what I'm most excited for again is 30x zoom. And I know a lot of people call that a gimmick. I don't really know how many people call that a gimmick nowadays though. But I've been saying this from the jump. Like, the 30x zoom and the 100x zoom is like one of my favorite features of Galaxies nowadays. Anyways, y'all, like I said, this is going to be a quick unboxing because I already got all in depth into this with my Cloud Orange Galaxy S20 FE unboxing. But let me know in the comments below, what would you get? So would you get the Cloud White, the Cloud Mint, the Cloud Orange, or the Cloud Red? Let me know in the comments, like I said. But I'm gonna go and get out of here, y'all. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really like it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media, Eddie Said Tech on Instagram and Twitter, and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. But stay tuned for the Galaxy Fit 2 unboxing. And also, my dad says he's gonna try this out. So we'll see if he actually likes this or not. He's not really a smartwatch person. Like, he just uses Invicta watches and things like that. Like, I mean, just regular basic watches. I let him try my Gear S3 Frontier for a little bit, but he really just didn't get used to it. So I don't know, like, we'll see about this. I know my mom for a fact loves her Gear Fit 2 that she actually has right now. Not a Galaxy Fit 2, but a Gear Fit 2. But let me get out of here, y'all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out.